Hello everybody, welcome back to Space Pickle Designs. Today I have a haul from Sam's Bead Shop. If you'd like to see what I got, just stay tuned. Okay, so I got three little parcels, mini parcels of goodies in here. This is the Sam's NYC Mystery Box, and I think everybody's is pretty different. So we'll go through that at the end, so you'll see what I got. But it looks like it's full of just check beads, which is amazing because that's what I use. Okay, so let's zoom you in here. Let's take a look. I see this is what I really want to check out. I got these tiara cast pendants. I got a few of those. They're all the same color, so I'll just take one out. But I think I got 2, 4, 5, maybe 6 of them. Let's see. And those are beautiful. Those are a nice subtle shimmer. There's the back. So I can't wait to use, I think I want to use these on earrings. Maybe just have just a little component. I'm thinking maybe a pear shape in the middle and then just have this drop at the end. Beautiful, beautifully done, beautifully made. And then I got these packets of jump rings. These are staple, obviously. These are the tiara cast ones, and I actually bought a few different things from, I think, Bead to where I can just go ahead and just make my own jump rings because I like making them anyway, but I want to make them the proper way, like with the saw and everything. So next up, when I saw these, I was like, and I got 2 of these. Look at those are stunning. I love that coating. Wow, that's so pretty. Okay, next up I got these check glass large hole tube etched honey. And you know me, anything that looks kind of old, I'm loving. So the etched looks to be sort of throughout, but then it's got like a coating that accentuates one side of the bead. So I got 2 of those. The next parcel is this. I got some more of those etched beads in a different color. So let me just pull out this color. This is going to be the etched gray, black, something probably. Let's see. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those. It's rare you find like a true purple in a bead, and sometimes like the only way you can find it is really through these coatings. So those, I love those so much. Like, they're gonna look so good. Those actually look really good together too. Happy with those. Like I said, I got some more of those melons, same color. And then I saw this on, I had stopped receiving their box for a little bit because I was moving and everything. But when I saw these on somebody's unboxing, I was like, I need like a million of those. These are the check glass struck round mottled stone Picasso bead. And I think this was in one of their mystery boxes. And I was just like captivated by this bead. I don't know why. So I think I got like 5 of those. Because, you know, 1 is just not enough apparently. And then from another one of their boxes, I think I saw these little flowers, and I just thought they were so cute because they have like a finish on one side. Some angles it looks more peach, some looks more golden, pink, red. I just really liked those. So that is the, let me see, check glass daisy mango tango mix, and I got 2 of those. And then I got them check glass daisies in the Mermaid's Cove mix, so I got 2 of those. And I mean, look at the colors. Those are just awesome. Pretty, pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna clear all this stuff off and then we'll get into the mystery box. Okay, so let's get into this guy right here. It says each box is filled with $75 of sparkly finds. Digging through the check warehouse, I couldn't believe the rainbow of fire polished rounds I was able to uncover. From the sea of colors, Rachel and I blended our own vibrant mixes. Each mystery box features 4 custom mixes, a full bundle of fire polish strands, and a lovely variety of other check glass treasures. I hope you love the box. Oh, and look at that. That was hiding. Okay, nice. So let's just see what we have. First up, we have these faceted tubes in a true bright blue red. Those are beautiful. Get those up close. Oh my god. Look at this. It's like a full hank of 4mm Picasso beads. Oh, wow. Okay, well, we can go home now. We don't need to see anything else. We're good. I'm just kidding. That is awesome, though. Look at these beautiful flower beads here. Oh my gosh, these colors are right up my alley. Look at this one. It has a little bit of orange in it. That's really cool. But I'm, you know me, I love my greens and the yellows and mustards. Look at these nice swirl beads. Again, in a nice green and black stripe looking bead. It almost looks like a malachite, like kind of like trying to replicate it a little bit. That is so cool. We have some cathedral, I think. Cathedral beads. I could be, now that I'm thinking about it, that may be totally wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. But they're faceted and they have like a bronze wash. And they're like a grayish bead. Grayish brown, a worm, like a taupe. We have these bumpy squashed rondelles. They're like little, they have little bumpies and they look to be like a crystal AB. Cute. And then look at this giant Picasso bead. This looks like an English cut, just like a big mama. Like how big even is this? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't even know. Yeah, that's over. Yeah, that's probably like, I don't know, 20. Wow. Look at that guy. Oh, that's a perfect bead for a focal. I'm actually putting that with my focal beads right over there. Okay, let's get a bead tray out. We have this mix right here. And I was thinking, this is so freaking weird. I was thinking that if I were to have like a bead box that I would make my own, my first bead box would be like these 70s colors. So like legit the taupe, the bronze, the golds, maybe even like a dark maroon and the pop of green. And look what we have in here. Man, I'm psychic. Look at that. So these are like big chunky guys. These are like, oh, 8 to 12 probably. And you get a big old bag's worth. And then you get, I'm pretty sure this is like the same mix, but in like 4 to 6mm. So that's really cool. Because not only now you have the big ones, you have the small ones that match it. And you can see there's some like turtle looking beads in there, like the amber with the black. I don't know if I have any of those. And I'm always loving the pop of green. You got some of the bigger turtle beads in there. Nice mix of bronzes. I love these two like lighter green beads right there. Beautiful. Okay, wow. I know a lot of you, if you guys get this mix, a lot of you are gonna love this. This is like such a special, delicate, feminine mix right here. It's like a rose gold with purple, lilacs, gold and bronze washes, a little bit of silver wash on some of those lilac beads. And these look to be like a 4 to 6mm mix. And I only have half the bag out, so like my whole tray is full here and I have half the bag out. So I will say they do not skimp on beads. That's something I love about them. The last one, but not least, is this red gold mix. Now this is definitely screaming holidays to me. But look. We've got some coated check glass here. It's got a coating on it. You can tell by the holes there. Such a unique coating. That is so weird. I am in love with these. These are like a rose AB, and that's like a 12 probably. We got some of the champagne AB, looks like. And then we have some of the satin gold. Beautiful. And let me see. Like this mix, I have one tray. Let's see. So this one mix fills 4 triangle trays worth. So, I mean, if you don't think that you're getting enough beads in, you're probably a little delusional. No, I'm just kidding. But, I mean, take the value for yourself. But, I mean, we have, look at these. Look at this little palette here. And it's such a nice little holiday palette right here. I don't even know if they meant that, but because they said it was like supposed to be random little bits and bobs here and there, but even adding that, how cute. Oh my goodness. So I'm definitely excited to play with these. I'll have to work on a little project later just so we get an idea. Let's do like a fire polish project. That's insane. We have so many to play with now. I'm still cannot believe that we have like a whole hank of 4mm. Now, for somebody that's not a bead weaver, that might not be their favorite thing. That might not be their jam, but as a bead weaver, the 4mm fire polish round is a staple in bead weaving projects. So I'm really excited to get these. So we got those. We got 4 other strands here. We have our nice big chunky focal bead, and we have our flower beads off to the side. Let's zoom out a little bit. So this is what we got in the NYC mystery box, along with the little thank you mint. So this is what I got. If you'd like to see me make anything with the products that I got, just let me know down below and I will work on that for you. But until I see you, stay safe and well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.